You exactly know what she was saying. She was saying it's not. And that's why she was posing what is called in English a rhetorical question. She is asking a rhetorical question. You are taking it literally. I don't know why. Why you are doing it deliberately?
Rhetorical question, agreed.
Everyone is on the debate. All eight.
I'm not doing. I agreed. Okay. I told you I understand the intention.
Then if it's a rhetorical question, why are you misinterpreting it?
Okay, Akashdeep, can I come in?
Can you believe if somebody else would have used those words? Do you know how you're...
She has not. She's asked a rhetorical question, for God's sake. And you are threatening her. You are saying she can't come to Mumbai. Ridiculous.
Arnab, she is making a new statement every day. Every day she's making a new statement. Today she's telling you that I know that drugs killed Sushant and she's ready to help. She's the same person who said that nepotism killed. Why didn't she? She's hearing the news.
You have a problem with Kangana because what you are failing to recognize is... one minute.
Anna, can I come in?
Just, I want Roshan Gary to come in 1 minute before you, Swapnil. Listen, the fundamental problem that everyone has is the fundamental problem everyone has with her is the fundamental problem everyone has with Kangana is that because she spoke up, this whole matter became a national controversy. Gary.
Yeah, Joy, that's not the point. She did not say directly, Joy.
Roshan, they don't know me as Joy.
Okay, sorry, Akashdeep. Okay, Akashdeep, the thing is she did...
Akash. No, Roshan. Okay. Roshan, I have nothing. I've told Anurag on several occasions. I salute her for showing the guts and for saying we need an interrogation. Everything else is a personal angst of hers.
What personal angst? What personal angst?
Can be 10 years later and talk. When Deepika talks about 8 years later about depression, she finds that a problem.
It is so disgusting to see the way they are. Now, there is a COVID situation going on and people are allowed to go out for the morchas and burn the things and all and everything. Why is this allowed on the streets of Mumbai? Isn't this dangerous?
I understand. I am not.
I'd like to go to Swapnil also, please, right now. Swapnil and Akshay will be on the debate, two at a time. Thank you, gentlemen. Swapnil and Akshay Bandarpurkar will debate, but you will have Bardapurkar will debate, but you will have to be quiet and listen to each other.
Akshay, can I speak first?
No. First of all, you decide who goes first.
Okay, Akshay, I'll go first. Then you rebut me. No problem. If you don't have a problem. Okay, Akshay, let me bring out 2-3 points. That's all I have to say. My first point is that under Article 19(1)(d), as a lawyer, I'll speak 1 point. She has a citizen of this country has a right to go to anywhere, wherever he pleases, whether to work and to live. That's point number 1. Point number 2 is that I'm as much a proud Mumbaikar, perhaps more. You will not believe I watch Marathi films, I speak Marathi, and I read Marathi literature also. I used to read, now I don't have that kind of time. Now to say, trust me, Bala Saheb Thackeray and all the Thackerays would be petrified at this kind of a thing. They will not endorse this at all. And they will say कि ये मेरे मुंबई में ये नहीं हो सकता है कि किसी को भी ये बोलना जाए कि आप आएंगे मैं देखते हो कैसा है. Okay, she's a lady. She's spoken 2-3 things and she's okay with it. And you have to understand the context. Akshay Sisi, हम लोग का इतना free Mumbai है, ये क्या POK है, ये क्या तालिबान है. Now you tell me.
It's a rhetorical point. It's a rhetorical point. Akshay, 1 minute. Can I make the point?
Ask a question.
Can I make a point? See, Akshay, you want to change the subject from the drugs issue, the money, and the... Akshay, listen to me. Akshay, listen to me, and then I'll give you full time to respond. Akshay, listen to me, and then I'll give you full chance to respond. Do you understand what I'm saying, Akshay? I will speak. I will give you full chance to respond. But I must understand that you must listen to me. Listen first. First of all, please understand the great state of Maharashtra.
Exactly.
Okay? With great leaders like Balasaheb Thackeray.
Yes.
Okay? The culture of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. People in the state are very proud of their heritage. And let me tell you one thing, Akshay. Let me tell you one thing. Please be quiet, please be quiet, Akashdeep. Please be quiet because it disturbs me. In this state, the people of the state do not tolerate the drugs culture that Bollywood has brought. Bollywood mafia has brought a drugs culture into the city, and it is your responsibility to fight it, not to allow it to, not to allow it.
Anything which is spoken about it, this is not the way.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you at all.
Powerful industry.
Hello?
Yeah, I couldn't hear you so far. Please speak.
I said Maharashtra never ever tolerated the drugs culture. It will not, even now, today, and in future also.
Then why are you allowing the Bollywood mafia to do what they are doing? Why are you supporting the Bollywood mafia? Why don't you fight them? People like Riya Chakrabarti. Stop them.
Yeah.
Stop them. Perform your duty to the people of the state, Akshay. Stop them.
And what about the conditional journalism that you're doing, indulging into?
My journalism, you are questioning. Of course, my journalism is right. I am questioning the drugs mafia. What's wrong with that? You want to question my journalism? I will question the drugs mafia. I will question the drugs mafia day in and day out.
Never ever want to be a part of a show which is
Day in and day out, I'll question the drugs mafia. What will you do? Day in and day out, I will.
No. This is conditional journalism according to me.
No, that may be your definition. You are not a journalist. I can't take a certificate in journalism from
No,
you.
yeah.
You tell me, why aren't you fighting the drugs mafia? Allow me to complete. Akshay, let me remind you, for 65 days we have been fighting, and Kangana is absolutely right. There is an entrenched drugs culture of use of hard drugs, cocaine, MDMA, ecstasy in Bollywood. She's an insider. She knows. You should be supporting her.
She only said
You should be supporting her. It is because she. Why don't you support her? Swapnil, why don't people like Akshay support what she's saying?
Akshay, I have a question for you. Akshay, I have a simple question for you.
I only-
Akshay, will you listen to me? Akshay, please. Just very simple question to me. Okay, I'm talking to you as a person who will ask you, if there are a lot of terrorist activities in this country, I'll say, "Ye kya Pakistan hai kya?" Then are you going to agree with what I'm saying? That I'm a very proud man, right? That's what I'm asking you. So what is wrong in that question?
No. This one thing is about saying, and one thing is about tweeting. It has been tweeted, Swapnil. And she's been doing this for all the publicity.
No, she's been questioning the drugs culture throughout. You look at all her statements, you must understand them in detail. If there is one person who has consistently fought the use of drugs, it is Kangana, and people like you should have supported her. I'm disappointed that people like you have not supported Kangana. This was your opportunity to fight the drugs mafia.
Akshay, you are a Maharashtrian. You are a state of Maharashtra. You should be supporting more emphatically. Jahan wo sach hai, wahan support karo. Jahan galat hai, mat karo.
I will support the right things. Where does
Correct.